This Corvette's seriously fast. Like, it's really fast. That thing flies. Just out here cruising some back Indiana road. Hell yeah, this is nice, dude. I mean, I'm not trying to compare my car to his car because they're two totally different cars, but this STI is quick. I don't know if this camera is doing it any justice, but this STI is fun. It's fun, dude. It's not near as quick as the Corvette, but that's a hell of a lot more horsepower. This is a very spirited drive we're on through the cornfields and back roads of Indiana. It's fun. Holy big. After he drove up from Florida and I drove up from Pennsylvania and he was all good from the hurricane, this is like the first actual day we've got to, I gotta drive. This is like the first actual day we've just got to go out and just drive our cars. And it's badass. This is what we've been waiting for. It's made like both our trips probably pretty much worth it. Like, yeah, they're long, tedious drives, especially for Jeremy. Driving all the way from Florida, but man, now that we're here, nothing beats cruising these damn back roads. Hell yeah. This is fun driving out here. Woo! I guess now's a better time than any too, just to address one other thing as far as my videos go. I've had, I think a while back in one of my older videos, I had someone tell me that, like, whatever, I drive like a grandma or something, but you gotta understand this camera doesn't really, it doesn't do the driving justice. Maybe it does if you're going like 120 miles an hour, but... Are you taking a dirt road, Jeremy? The camera doesn't do speed justice, like not at all. So, for instance, right now, yeah, I'm only going 40 miles an hour, but it probably looks like I'm going about 20. This camera just makes things look slower than they really are. Another thing that you can kind of tell from the videos is that it's not like overly loud. It's really not loud. Like if I was in the Corvette up there, you'd probably be able to hear that thing a little bit better. Like this car, the camera doesn't really pick it up. Speed on the camera looks slow anyways, unless you're going like entirely way too fast. Wait for this camper van to pass. But yeah, cameras make speed look fast and things look small, and this car is just not super loud. It's got a stock exhaust. I'm not pushing like in a huge amount of horsepower like some of the other STIs out there. It's just stock. This thing's stock, so it's, what you see is what you get. It's not the loudest car, it's not the fastest. I don't act like it is. I mean, I just wanted to throw that out there for what it's worth. I don't know if anyone's watching and you're like, oh man, he's driving slow. I'm really not. I'm going 50 miles an hour right now, which again, is not fast, but it's not criminal speeding. But just to give you an idea, this is 50 miles an hour and this is what it looks like. It doesn't look fast, like at all. This camera makes everything look super slow. It's still, like I'm having fun. I just wanted to put that out there. Having a blast driving. Having a blast driving with my buddy, tearing up some back roads. And yeah, just wanted to put that out there. I think I'm just gonna turn this thing off now. That's gonna do it for this video. I don't really know what this video is, but hopefully it made a little bit of sense to you, the viewer, by the time I edit it. Maybe it doesn't, I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching. See y'all later and see you in the next one. Peace.